Hello guys, naka-bargain tayo. Chicken Hunter's chicken. Ayan. Chicken breast wrapped in bacon, topped with cheese and with barbecue sauce. Yan guys. Cooked in 30 minutes. So, that's my food for tonight. Chicken breast with bacon, wrapped with bacon. So, I will cover that with foil and put in the oven for 30 minutes. And I will cook for 20 minutes and open it. And after that, you add the sauce. That's it, guys. Thank you. See you later. Bye.